Hey, how's it going? My name is Michael de la Cruz, and chances are you're looking to know how to make more money on the side. Well, in this video, my friend, I'm going to show you the 3 things you need to make more money on the side and how you can do it over and over again. So stay tuned. Okay, so here are the 3 things you need in order to make more money on the side. And this is how I do it. So the first thing you're gonna need is basically something called traffic, right? And traffic is basically it's like I'm gonna go over this in a different video, but traffic is simply eyeballs, people that are searching for solutions on the internet. Number 2, you're going to need a high converting system. This is very important because if you don't have the right system in place, you're not going to be able to generate the type of income you want to generate. The system is the one that's going to do the heavy lifting for you and is going to make you sales as well. So all you do is just drive traffic into a high converting system that is in place. And the third thing you need is a value ladder, which is pretty much products to sell, right? You need different products to sell. Some products can be like $30 or $25 at an entry level, and then you can have higher products in the back end that's gonna cost more, but it's gonna produce you even more income. So as you can see today, for example, I made $53.60. Not bad for today. Yesterday, you're not limited because you're earning. So you can see I'm making money on the side, and it just keeps compounding over time. So this is a good way to make money. So if you want to be able to make more money on the side, this is what you do. This is what you need. And if by any chance you don't have this in place, then I have a special video that you can watch for free and you can access for free. So right below this video, there's a link. Click that link and access that free video. Is going to show you how to earn anywhere from $300 to $500 a day, $100 a day, whatever your income goal is. The video below is going to show you how to do it, and it's going to give you access to the same system I use. So with that being said, thank you for watching, and click the link below this video if you want to know what I'm doing or what I'm using to create these results. Bye bye.